If you've ever dreamed of working remotely but don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to land a remote job from scratch, step by step, even if you have no experience and live anywhere in the world. The first step is understanding how remote companies think. They don't hire based on promises, they hire based on proof. Your applications need to show that you can work independently, solve problems, and communicate clearly. If you can prove that, you already have a huge advantage. Next, you need to identify the types of remote jobs that actually hire beginners. Not every remote job is open to entry-level candidates. Look for roles in customer support, data entry, virtual assistants, social media management, and content creation. These are often easier to break into, and they allow you to build experience quickly. Once you know your target roles, it's time to prepare your tools. You'll need a professional email, a CV tailored for remote work, and, if possible, a portfolio or examples of work. Even small personal projects count. Employers want to see proof, not promises. Now comes the most critical part: applications. Don't mass apply. Quality beats quantity. Tailor your CV and cover letter to each job. Mention the company by name. Highlight exactly how you can help them solve a problem. Generic applications get ignored. While applying, also start building your online presence. Even if you don't post videos, having a LinkedIn profile, a personal website, or GitHub portfolio can boost your credibility. These small signals show that you're serious and reliable. Networking is another game changer. Join remote work communities online. Engage in discussions. Offer help. You never know which connection will lead to your first remote job opportunity. Next, track your applications. Keep a simple spreadsheet to record what you applied for, the date, and follow-up reminders. Consistency is key. Remote hiring often moves slowly, and keeping organized ensures you don't miss opportunities. Finally, be patient but strategic. Remote hiring is competitive, but if you focus on building proof, applying intentionally, and showing that you can work independently, your chances increase dramatically. By following these steps, you can start landing remote jobs even if you've never worked remotely before. And if you want to make this process even faster, I've prepared a playlist with videos that break down each step in detail. Make sure to watch them all to master the system and finally get the remote job you want. Subscribe to learn more.